हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है सबका? आई होप यू ऑल आर हैविंग एन अमेजिंग डे टुडे। और आज आई एम फाइनली हेयर प्रेजेंटिंग अ पॉडकास्ट जो मैं इतने अरसे से करना चाह रही थी। और मैंने इतने लोगों को कहा कि यार मेरे पॉडकास्ट में आ जाओ, आई रियली वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, समथिंग रियली कूल लाइक दिस, लेकिन कोई मान ही नहीं रहा था। एंड देन माई सिस्टर केम टू द रेस्क्यू और आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत सारी सिस्टर्स टॉक विद माई सिस्टर आयज़ा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू आयज़ा?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड। सो
फॉर्मली बात कर रहे हैं, हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड।
that's not how we talk. So let's talk how we usually talk. ठीक है, तो क्या हाल है?
ठीक हाल है। दैट्स व्हाट आई यूजुअली से।
क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
क्या चल रहा है आजकल, क्या नहीं चल रहा आजकल, ये मैं बता देती हूँ। और वो है पढ़ाई, जो कि मेरे से बिल्कुल नहीं हो रही। एंड इट्स अनोइंग, इट्स आई एम जस्ट टायर्ड ऑफ नॉट बीइंग एबल टू स्टडी। आई वांट टू, बिकॉज मेरे एग्जाम्स बहुत करीब हैं एंड व्हेन आई एम जस्ट गोना हैव टू स्टडी।
Do you think कि एग्जाम्स होंगे कि नहीं होंगे?
I honestly have no idea। नहीं होंगे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अगर हो भी जाएंगे तो होपफुली I'll be prepared for them।
यार अगर एग्जाम्स नहीं होंगे तो क्या सीन होगा? लाइक कैसे, हाउ वुड द मेरिट बी सेटल्ड और किस तरह से एडमिशन्स होंगे?
एंट्री टेस्ट्स।
दैट्स इट? बिकॉज यू डिडंट इवन गिव द फर्स्ट ईयर एग्जाम्स, राइट? आपके फर्स्ट ईयर के भी मिस हुए थे। ठीक है आयज़ा, एग्ज़ाम्स की हमने बात कर दी है। और बताओ यार क्या चल रहा है आजकल? टेल मी समथिंग समथिंग फन। ओके, सो एज यू वर गोइंग अबाउट अर्लियर, इफ़ यू टेल मी हु यू आर in 3 words, describe yourself in 3 words.
My god, that's such a hard question। क्या, like I'm gonna have to think about it now। can I take some time and then we can cut this part and then
No, we cannot. This is going to be a non-cut experience.
no, I'm annoyed, avazar
That's what you are? No, not at, it's okay, okay, okay.
right now, is that's what I am। That's all I can think about। पढ़ाई is all I can think about, but वो हो नहीं रही मेरे से। That's just all that's going on right now।
What has COVID done to you?
मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम्स नहीं हुए, that was cool। It's almost like God saved me।
You did perfectly in your metric exams.
तो metric is easy, it's not that hard। FSC is hard। Yeah।
You're right, you're right. But तुम्हें पता है, the young kids I talk to, as you know, okay, I have been teaching for like a long time. So the young kids, they want to be a doctor. I mean, they aim to be a doctor, and that's because कि उनके पेरेंट्स ने या सोसाइटी ने ओवरऑल उनके माइंड्स में ये चीज़ बहुत इनकलकेट की हुई है कि डॉक्टर बनना है। आप क्यों डॉक्टर बन रही हो?
Oh my god, why do you keep asking me these questions?
Because we're here to know more about you.
Why am I becoming a doctor? क्योंकि आप you chickened out, मुझे छोड़ दिया पीछे, तो मुझे ही बनना था ना अब। Somebody had to do it, right?
Are you happy that you're the one, the chosen one?
I am। And I hope I get there। I hope I do become a doctor one day। I don't know why, if I look at you।
The vibe that comes out is a doctor.
Oh my god।
You know, I'm not lying. ये सही बात है, मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है कि तुम एक अच्छी डॉक्टर बन सकती हो।
I hope that is true। I hope that happens।
चलो, like let's now switch to something
Please,
fun.
I already had a crying session today about
your exam?
about the fact that
you're
I'm
unable to study.
yeah, the fact that I'm not studying, and mom was like, you're not studying, you need to study, अपने साथ अच्छा नहीं कर रही हो। And I'm like, yeah, sure, I know that, but what do I do about it? I start studying but I can't, so let's just not talk about that anymore, please।
That's what COVID has done to us.
Yeah, okay, that makes
है ना? चलो, okay, so tell me about what should I ask you? बताओ
You're
Netflix.
asking me questions। You talk as well। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा इंटरव्यू हो रहा है। नहीं, प्लीज।
Anytime, whenever you feel like it. ठीक है? Tell me about a fun Netflix show that you have watched recently and you would like to recommend.
Recently, what show did I watch? मैंने बहुत अरसे से कोई शो नहीं देखा, बट I watched season 7 of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine is my favorite TV show, by the way.
For some reason with Brooklyn
Not everybody likes it, though. It's fine.
मैंने देखना भी नहीं शुरू किया. I don't know why, but for some reason I am unable to watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. But जरा बताओ इसके बारे में. Sell me Brooklyn.
Oh my god, no. Why do you keep doing that to me?
Isn't that why we
Shit's, okay, let me rephrase that. No, let me change my statement.
ठीक है.
Schitt's Creek is a nice show. Now you talk about it. You love that show.
I can talk about Schitt's Creek like for hours and hours and hours.
Oh my god.
ठीक है?
Such a
Talker?
yeah, like I don't understand.
अच्छा, about Schitt's Creek.
सोचती नहीं कि मुझे क्या पसंद है इसके बारे में. I just like it. I look at it. I have fun. I watch the show, and I don't think what is it.
इसलिए पसंद आया था क्योंकि I can connect to the characters. Not connect का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आपको उनके अंदर कोई similarities feel होती हैं. Connect का मतलब ये है कि I think I can be friends with them. I think I can be friends with David.
Okay, I love David. Okay. Yeah, he's so cool.
What was the name of David's sister?
Alexis.
Alexis. Oh my God, how can I think I can be friends with Alexis. I think I can be the girl in the cafe. Twyla. I think I can be Twyla.
Oh my god.
मैंने लॉटरी विन की थी for like 100 million. Oh my God, is the woman crazy? I mean, अगर तुम्हें क्या
Just bought that restaurant? Come on, girl. You could have done better than that.
like moved out of that place.
That Schitt's Creek. You could have moved out.
But तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि if you were Twyla
Oh my god.
और अगर
All these questions coming up for me. I can't.
और अगर if you were Twyla, ठीक है, and you अच्छा just imagine a hypothetical scenario कि you are living at a place from your बचपन, ठीक है, and it's a small town, ठीक है, not the small towns in Pakistan, ठीक है, let's talk about a small town of your dreams, ठीक है, एक छोटा सा एक बहुत ही कोजी सा टाउन है, ठीक है, and you won a lottery of $100 million, ठीक है, और you have all the options in the world to move out and to do whatever you want to. Will you do that? Will you go out?
Maybe I'll travel and then I'll come back. You know.
You'll keep coming back to the place that you call home.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Yeah. About traveling, where would you like to travel to? Like, what is in your bucket list? कि अब मैंने अगर मुझे travel करने का मौका मिलेगा अब तो मैं यहाँ जाऊँगी.
Chalo, let me make it easier for you. Do you
Like more of a Mediterranean vibe, like beaches and stuff.
I
Yeah.
think that. I choose that.
I'd choose that. You'd choose that. I will also choose that.
मुझे भी I'm some place with a yeah.
A mountain person ये वो. लेकिन मुझे north जाने का बहुत शौक है. Like I'd like to go to Gilgit next. पाकिस्तान के. I'd like to go to Gilgit next. I'd like to go to Balochistan next. Gwadar मैंने सुना है it's beautiful.
What about places with places like New York? Cool ass places.
Okay. Okay, we are talking.
Like with high
I'd like to go to LA because I want to feel that Hollywood vibe. I'd also like to go to Mumbai.
Really?
Yeah. I'd also like to
Thought
go.
about it.
I'll tell you why.
To India is, I don't know.
In India, I'd like to go to Jodhpur as well क्योंकि Jodhpur is beautiful और जो movies में दिखाते हैं अक्सर their temples and their historical buildings beautiful. मतलब कमाल. तुम शे मिचेल का इंडिया वाला व्लॉग देखो, you'll fall in love with the places. I mean उसी व्लॉग के अंदर उन्होंने दोनों एक्सट्रीम्स दिखाई हैं, छोटी छोटी गलियाँ जहाँ गंद पड़ा हुआ है और everything, और on contrary to that या उसकी कंट्रास्ट में वो वाली जगहें भी हैं वहाँ उसमें दिखाई हुई जो are beautiful. तो I'd recommend that for you to watch. शे मिचेल का एक इंडिया वाला व्लॉग देखो और एक ग्रीस वाला व्लॉग देखो. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Beautiful. It will trigger all your traveling
I get it.
What else? Do you want to get a little controversial?
I love that.
Let's talk about family.
No. It's not funny. Let's not go there.
No, it's not.
Okay. I'm not talking about like. Okay.
Always up for some gossip.
Do you want me to tell you some gossip?
No, not here.
ठीक है. Okay. Let's talk about Pakistani people. Pakistani entertainment people. Who's your favorite actor in Pakistan currently?
I don't watch a lot of
Neither do
TV
I, but
shows.
अच्छा अब मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. When I talk about who do you like,
I like Sabaa Kamar. We stand Sabaa Kamar.
okay.
so listen me again. When we're talking about TV, when we're talking about actor, we're not talking about actors acting only. ठीक है. अब acting से बढ़ के भी एक पूरा एक persona है जो social media के ऊपर चलता है और मतलब their yeses and nos and their shoots and their life outside of acting and everything. ये सारा कुछ अब है. ठीक है. And of course the things that they support and the things that they believe in, their ideology. ठीक है. So who you already given your answer that you like
Yeah.
Sabaa Kamar.
Yeah.
If you'd ask me,
Not just acting though, everything about her. Yeah. Her whole social media
I've always
appearance.
loved.
Mahira Khan. Always.
Yeah.
पर मैं तुम्हें मज़े का बताऊँ, I'm not following her on Instagram.
I'll tell you
Why?
क्योंकि
मैं माहिरा खान को obviously I used to follow her on Instagram. But then तुम्हें याद है कि जब elections हुए थे and there was hum awards going on and then a lot of
She didn't,
celebrities they
yeah, she
came
didn't
back.
vote.
Yeah, and then she didn't come and vote.
That's when I unfollowed her as well.
I unfollowed her and
And after that, I kept going back to her page, her Instagram page, but and I was about to click the follow button, but then I didn't. क्योंकि यार she is a superstar with a lot of money. She can go and come back on her awards, you know, after giving the vote. So she was somebody from whom I was expecting that she won't let me down.
But she did. So we
so I
unfollowed
love
her.
but I won't follow.
My ideology. I really like Mehwish Hayat. I also like her fundas. मुझे उसकी भी ideology पसंद है. And I'm not following her as well.
Is there a story behind that?
I think there is no story. But I don't like. I don't follow her, but I like her. मुझे ये नहीं समझ आई कि उसके बिस्किट वाले इश्तिहार पे इतनी.
Yeah, what was that about?
बनाने की क्या जरूरत है?
Yeah.
It was uncalled for. It was unneeded. पर तुम्हें पता है? पर तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि पाकिस्तानीज़ बहुत सेंसिटिव हो गए हैं अब हर चीज़ को.
कुछ एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हम.
The other day I was talking in
हम
one of
औरत
our
मार्च
videos.
नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते. हम कुछ भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. हमारी
तो औरत
फ्रैजाइल ईगो जो है ना टूट के शैटर हो जाती है औरत मार्च देख के. पता नहीं क्यों.
हालांकि
Like what's the reason behind
yeah,
that?
because औरत मार्च is
Let a
very-
girl go out.
Let a girl be herself.
yeah,
Like what's wrong with that?
यही मेरा पॉइंट है. पर उसको हम और तरह ले जाते ना. ये देखो उसके दोनों एक्सट्रीम्स हैं शायद कि कुछ औरत मार्च ये भी जो हैं वो उसको एक्सट्रीम पे लेके जाते हैं. ठीक है. एंड देन सोसाइटी तो
march
हमारी
करने वाले भी extreme
हाँ
पे लेके
हाँ
जाते हैं, कुछ
एग्जैक्टली
society भी
कुछ
उसको
सोसाइटी भी उसको
extreme
एक्सट्रीम पे ले जाती है.
है.
बट एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट दैट. अच्छा अगर मेरी आइडियोलॉजी पूछो औरत मार्च के पीछे तो औरत मार्च करने की ज़रूरत ही क्यों पेश आई. दैट्स द पॉइंट. दैट्स द होल पॉइंट. आप औरत को वो मकाम दें कि वो औरत मार्च करे ही ना. मर्द मार्च क्यों नहीं होती? क्योंकि मर्द के पास उसके राइट्स हैं, औरत के पास नहीं है. सो या और औरत के राइट होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो फहाशी फैलाए इन द माशरा.
कि वो छोटे कपड़े पहन के सड़क पे जाना चाहती है. That's not why we march. Please know that.
आई डोंट नो. पता है जो मैसेज है ना वो अनपढ़ हैं. अनपढ़ जाहिल हैं बेसिकली. सॉरी पढ़े लिखे जाहिल हैं. मैसेज आर पढ़े लिखे जाहिल नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर सकते. आई डोंट नो व्हाई वाज द कंट्रोवर्सी अबाउट वही माहिरा खान और रणबीर कपूर वाली कंट्रोवर्सी याद है तुम्हें?
Yeah.
She was
smoking.
smoking.
With कम कपड़े.
I don't know what was all that about. अगर कोई बंदा शर्टलेस हो के एब्स अपने दिखा रहा है और वो सुट्टा पी रहा है, या फॉर दैट रीज़न वो शराब पी रहा है. Let's talk about a very cool actor in Pakistan.
Let's not. Let's keep it general.
नहीं, the Mahira Khan is an actress who was targeted. If she was an influential person who was targeted for this, right? Let's talk about who comes to your mind when you think of a very cool person in Pakistan. A guy. Shehryar Munawwar is
Yeah, that's exactly what came to my mind. I also like Gohar Rashid.
He's so cool.
totally. He is.
Also Bilal.
The Bilal Ashraf.
Bilal Ashraf, superstar wala.
Yeah.
Also Bilal Abbas.
Yeah. Who else is a cool actor in Pakistan? Every cool person is a girl.
We got disrupted due to some technical issues. लेकिन we are back. Hi, we are back. अच्छा जी, तो there's a lot to talk. You're coming in my frame. ठीक है, okay. Alrighty. Now that I think, how am I gonna edit this thing out? Absolutely worth it.
Hopefully, it turns out good.
Even if it doesn't, I would give nothing for this conversation that we're having. Do you think we connect well in normal routine?
Yeah, we do. Of course we do.
How are you doing, by the way?
She's doing good.
That's good.
Having fun with Aliza.
चलो, good है. Nice. Thank God. और ये बहुत कम लोगों के पास जाती है. Aliza is one of them. Like Aliza is literally one of them जिसके पास वो शौक से जाती है.
चिपकी रहती है वो. So annoying. Like we get it. She's obsessed with you. But
I never liked the kids जो अपनी माँ को चिपकते रहे. But she is one of that. I think जिसको आप शिद्दत से ना चाहो ना, वो आपके पास आता है. How do you like the podcast so far?
I'm loving it. Yeah.
I told you it's going to be good. तो मैं इतनी
It's
nervous
fun, but I like listening to you more than talking. You know.
थी. Okay.
Okay, I'll ask you.
That's what I do. Like in general, I like listening to people. I don't talk a lot, or do I? I don't know.
So you like listening in general, or you like listening to me?
In general too, but you're a different level of, I don't know what. Because you're my sister. I like talking to you.
Oh, so sweet. I love talking to you.
I love listening to you.
I love talking to Aliza for that matter. I love talking to Mama for that matter. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हमारी communication बहुत अच्छी है.
That's what we think.
That's what she said. Is that a thing? Like anymore?
It is, but where did it come from? Was it? I don't know. Let's not talk about that.
What else do you like? Your hobbies? Do you watch YouTube a lot?
Emma Chamberlain for life. I love Emma Chamberlain.
You are an Emma Chamberlain person.
I like watching her videos. They're so natural and like you can relate to her. She's like so lazy, just like me. She just cooks and lays in bed and does nothing.
Emma Chamberlain, right? And nothing else. Like, तुमने explore किए हैं like other genres नहीं ना?
नहीं. It's because Aliza watches her videos and then I watch them with her and then I just like her and I don't really watch anything other than that. मैंने खुद कुछ explore नहीं किया.
I like watching commentary shit these days. पता नहीं क्यों, but I'm into that stuff. I love this person. His name is Drew Gooden.
He calls his fan.
ASMR.
He calls his fans little stinkers, and he himself is the bigger stinker.
So yeah. And then there's this
Paper
person.
straws. I love this.
अच्छा? And he calls his fan family Greg. Greg.
Greg?
Yeah. So whenever he starts a YouTube video, he says, "Hey Greg." Or Drew Gooden, जब he starts his videos, he say, "Hey guy."
Guy. But what if you're a girl?
What should I call my people?
You decide.
I don't know. Because this is so everybody. Hey, hi, assalamu alaikum, क्या हाल है सबका? I want to have that connection. क्योंकि there are such there are so few people जो मुझे देख रहे हैं अभी, and I adore you all. So I need to, you know, have that connection with them. And I want to call them something. And I don't want to call them family, blah, blah. No.
We'll think about it that.
Later.
Because if I tell you, let's think about it now, then you'll ask me for ideas, and I don't have any of those. So let's not talk about that right now.
ठीक है. Makes sense.
Because I don't have any ideas. So
ठीक है.
yeah, I'm just like, दिमाग मेरा खाली है. I have no ideas about anything. I don't even know how to describe myself.
That's who you are.
What? Dumb?
Yes.
That's exactly what I am. Dumb.
Clueless is what I would like to say.
Yeah, that makes sense. Because you sorted it out for me.
Wow.
Like you told me. Like I can't do anything on my own. It's almost like that.
It's not like that.
It is.
It's not.
Whatever. I know myself. Or do I? I don't know.
Of course you do. Everybody knows themselves. सबको पता होता है कि वो क्या है और क्या नहीं है, कितने के हैं और कितने के नहीं है. Talk about friends.
I love my friends. All of them. I have good
You
friends.
think it's easy to find friends these days?
I think yeah, it is.
Do you have any?
वैसे भी
तुम्हारे
मेरी जितनी भी फ्रेंडशिप्स चल रही हैं वो बहुत पुरानी हैं, तो लाइक इसलिए मैंने कोई बहुत न्यू फ्रेंड्स नहीं है मेरे.
इसका मतलब है कि you never had a bad experience with friends.
Yeah, no.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
If I think about it, I have never had bad experiences with friends. लेकिन यूनिवर्सिटी में we tried to make a girl group, ठीक है, and it failed miserably. Yeah. और सिर्फ मैं और शिजा बच गए उसमें से, who are friends from that girl group. Like I have other friends from universities, लेकिन उस girl group में से सिर्फ I have one friend left. And she's lovely. I love her.
Love that for you. It's good to have good friends.
है ना?
Earlier on मुझे लगता था कि क्योंकि तुम लोग छोटे थे शायद, but now अब मैं I've stopped growing and you guys have grown up.
Yeah.
है ना?
Now it's like we're
all the same age.
Oh my god.
So we are in one frame now और उसकी वजह ये है कि या टेक्निकल इश्यूज, इसका कोई फायदा नहीं है वो. हाँ ये फारिग हो गया अब. Say hello.
नहीं, एक मिनट. हाँ, यहाँ से हम दोनों.
नहीं होगा. नहीं. And I think we have reached the 30 minutes mark, Aiza.
Really, have we?
Yeah. तुम्हें पता है 20 minute for when the first cut was took place, and then 10 minutes now.
And we didn't talk about anything. Like इतनी जल्दी गुजर गया है.
Exactly. So I told you कि it's going to be fun, and you won't even know और time गुजर जाएगा.
Yeah, that's what happened. And I didn't have to talk a lot. Thank God for that.
ये तो जब मैं edit करूँगी तो पता चलेगा कि how much did you talk and how much did you not.
Not looking forward to that.
चलो ठीक है, let's wind it up. Final anything that you would like to say? Anything that you would like to say? That could be anything related to anything, about anyone, anything, any thought.
Keep doing whatever you love.
I think that's a perfect end to this perfect podcast. I hope when I edit it, it turns out good. Well, anyways, I'm going to be putting it on, jaisa bhi banega. Lekin I really had an amazing time with you. Thank you so much for being on.
I had a lovely time. Thank you for this experience. I loved it, honestly.
है ना? It feels so
Intimate. It felt
intimate. Yes.
it felt intimidating before we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I was intimidated by this, but now it's not intimidating anymore.
Yeah, what I was trying to say is intimate.
Yeah, that makes
Very personal, and very amazing. I love it. I would like to do more of these.
Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna do more podcasts with you because I like this a lot.
Let's do more, like, but with some topics in mind.
Yeah,
ठीक है, ऐसे करते हैं.
This was just an introduction.
And I loved it. Honestly, I loved it. I loved everything about it. I loved the setting. I loved the vibe. It's like it's 2 in the in the morning, like 2 at night, and we are here chilling.
I love this. The मौसम is so good. तो मज़ा आ रहा है.
मच्छर हो गए थे थोड़ी देर पहले. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, and I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all saw it till the end. लेकिन अगर नहीं देखा तो यार ये मज़े का था. You should go back and watch like the complete thing. और if you liked it, please let me know in the comments. और अगली दफ़ा we'll come back. Will we?
Yeah, we will. Hopefully. Sure, I love that. I love to do this again sometimes, more than once.
Yeah.
How about we turn this into a sisters podcast thing? Like we every time you do a podcast, I'm in it.
That would be great. I would love it. I would love that.
Me too.
Chalo, I'm gonna end it now. I mean, I think I've said it like 10 times now. Okay, I'm gonna end it now. So I'm gonna end it now. And I hope you all have an amazing week ahead. Or I hope I don't break this streak of posting 2 videos a week. Because I had a very hard time doing that in the previous week. Or I think मैं इस week की second video Sunday को post करूँगी. But I'm not going to break the streak, inshallah. And next week the 2 videos will be coming. One will be this podcast and there is another video that I made. और बहुत सारी editing करनी है. Oh my god. So yeah, have an amazing week and I'll see you guys later. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखें and yeah, Allah Hafiz.